According to police reports, at least 12 people die daily due to road accidents involving motorists, passengers, border riders, and pedestrians. These accidents are mainly due to behavioral causes, including overspeeding, drunk driving, distracted driving, among others. Kananura Maiko, the spokesperson in the Directorate of Traffic and Road Safety, is concerned these accidents are making Uganda's roads difficult to use.
And we must all go ahead to understand what must we do as passengers in vehicles, as riders on the roads, as passengers on these motorcycles. In these vehicles, we have roles to play. Actually, if anything, we have many more roles than the traffic officers on roads. If you get to the road, for example, from Kampala to Gulu, how many checkpoints do you meet? We are very few traffic officers on roads compared to the vehicles that are on roads. So, Commissioner, we have a population of around 900 traffic officers in Kampala. Look at the vehicles in Kampala. Look at the motorcycles in Kampala. There are very many. So we must also understand what we must do. In as far as road safety is concerned, don't wait for a traffic officer. What have we witnessed on the roads? A person putting on a seatbelt, approaching a traffic checkpoint. That's when he puts it on. Then when he's past the checkpoint, he removes it. He's speeding, then he is also inquiring from other drivers that where are they? You have seen all those things.
The Directorate of Traffic and Road Safety have put up stringent measures to prevent accidents through raising awareness and deploying CCTV cameras, among others.
As the traffic police or police, these are some of the interventions in as far as speeding is concerned. We have strengthened the operations on speeding using already deployed speed guns and also using our CCTV cameras. The cameras go ahead to capture some of these violators of speed on roads and who are blacklisted and then followed up later. So these cameras are able to capture the vehicles which are speeding with their number plates and the speed at which each vehicle is driving at. Some we are able to stop them there and then penalize the drivers. Others are blacklisted and they are traced for. I appeal to all road users to abide by the traffic laws and regulation to ensure safety on our roads as we approach the festive seasons.
Winston Tushabe, the commissioner in the Ministry of Works, called upon the public to desist from drink driving and emphasized mounting checking points on the roads.
Those of you who want to buy vehicles during this festive season and then you want to go and show everybody that now you have bought new vehicles, especially during the festive season, some villages where vehicles have not been for the last maybe 5 years or 10 years. You are the first person to buy a vehicle and you want to show everybody now that you exist. And the village maybe is not even interested to know that you have bought a vehicle. But for you still want to do what? Show off. So those ones also we have medicine for them. One, we have arranged with police and courts of law.
Civil society organizations have also urged the government to come up with stringent regulations to curb the rising road carnage.
Civil society has actually been part of the process of developing these laws. I know the Commissioner will talk more about the details of some of these laws, but to mention but a few is, for instance, the motorcycle regulations, which are rules or policies to ensure that whoever is on the motorcycle riding or a passenger is actually safe. So we literally sat with the technical arm of government, which is the ministry, to develop these policies. But we also had substantial input in the development of the National Road Safety Action Plan.
Naguja Serena, Big Television.